What are the benefits of new car replacement? Have you ever thought about what would happen if your brand new car was totaled in an accident? It can be a scary thought, but there is a way to protect yourself from the financial fallout. Let's talk about new car replacement coverage and the benefits it offers. This optional coverage is designed to give you peace of mind if your vehicle is declared a total loss. Instead of receiving just the depreciated value of your car, you get enough money to buy a brand new vehicle of the same make and model. One of the biggest advantages of new car replacement coverage is protection against depreciation. When you drive a new car off the lot, it loses value quickly. If your car is totaled shortly after purchase, you could be left with a significant financial gap. This coverage ensures that you are not financially penalized for that depreciation. Another benefit is the peace of mind it provides. Knowing that you are covered for the full replacement cost can take a lot of stress off your shoulders. You won't have to worry about how much money you will need to come up with to replace your vehicle. This can be especially comforting for new car owners who may not have a large savings cushion. The claims process can also be simpler with new car replacement coverage. Since depreciation does not factor into the claim, it can make the process more straightforward. This means less hassle when you need to replace your vehicle, allowing you to focus on getting back on the road. If you have financed or leased your vehicle, this coverage can offer additional financial security. It can help cover the difference between the actual cash value of your car and the remaining balance on your loan or lease. This is particularly helpful if you owe more than what your car is worth. In the context of auto insurance policies, new car replacement coverage is especially beneficial for those who have recently purchased a new vehicle. While it may add to the overall cost of your insurance policy, the protection it offers can be well worth it. It allows you to avoid the financial risks associated with vehicle depreciation and replacement costs. Overall, new car replacement coverage is an excellent option for new car owners looking to safeguard their investment. It provides a layer of protection that can help you avoid financial loss and stress in the event of an accident. If you want to ensure that you are fully protected, consider adding this coverage to your auto insurance policy.